First, we need to import a background, and I will be using a white background for this tutorial. So just go to Import, then select Stock Material, then import a white background. Now we have to add our text, so go to Text and import a default text to the timeline. Extend your text to match your background. Since our text default color is white, have to change the color. So just go to Color and change it to the color you want, and I am going to use black. Then change the font to any font you want. Type anything you want and increase the size. So you can just do it at the editing panel or just click and drag of the display to increase the size of our text. Now we have to add animation to our text to make it nice and cool, and Capcut has a lot of free animations you can use. Just go to Animation and add any animation you want, but use in animation for this tutorial. Now increase the duration of your animation to about 1.5 seconds. Now create a compound clip. Select all your clip, then right-click and click on Create Compound Clip. Move your clip to the second layer, then import the background you want to use to the timeline. Then trim the end to match your text. Now we have make the background appear, so go to Video, then go to Remove Background, select the Chroma key, and use the color picker to select the text to remove the color. Then increase the intensity to 100 and shadow to 0. Go to where the animation ends and make a split there. Make a duplicate of that clip, so just copy and paste, or you can hold the Alt key and drag and drop on top of your clip to create a duplicate. Select your first clip, go to Video and select on Mask, then select Horizontal Mask. Then do same for your second clip, but this time rotate your mask about 180 degrees. Select your first clip and move your playhead to where you want your animation to start. Then add a keyframe at the beginning. Then move the playhead to where you want your animation to end, and move your clip out of frame. And Capcut will automatically add a keyframe. Select your second clip, add a keyframe on position at the beginning of the clip, and move your playhead to the where you want your animation to end, then move the clip out of frame. But make sure your keyframe on both of the clip matches. You can add some musics to your clip, and Capcut has a lot you can use in your videos. See you in the next video.